This is topic D on page 46, using forms to view, add, and update data. Data sheets presenting data from sources such as tables and queries can be configured to show pop-up lists and sub-data sheets. This helps to make data sheets more efficient and effective for entering and viewing data. However, there are times when it can be awkward, inconvenient, or slow to rely entirely on data sheets for viewing and entering data. In such cases, a database developer may opt to provide forms which provide a custom graphical user interface, known as GUI, for viewing and entering data. So in this example file, remember I have my table inventory here. And just to show you the last record in this table right now, I'm going to scroll down. And the last record we have right now is Win double or DBL 9210. All right, I'm going to close that out. So just remember that Win DBL 9210. And in my navigation bar, I'm going to scroll down to my form section. And here we have a form for that table inventory. This is called form inventory. Any information entered into form inventory, I'm going to double click this to open it up. Any information entered here will be put into the table inventory. So it's just, again, for repetitive data entry, for entering new records very quickly. So we have our same record navigation bar at the bottom here. So I could click on my new blank record and enter new records here. So we'll do WRK-1400, for example. Department we can have as, I don't know, bath. Whoops. That was supposed to be for department. And then remember our supplier ID, this is a relationship here, so I have to choose the supplier ID from my drop down. It can only be one of these options. So I'll set the supplier ID for this to Maloof. You would enter your item description, whatever that is. Our units in stock will say that's 25. Target inventory we want 25 as well. Reorder level we'll put at 10. And we'll have these last entered, we'll just do last ordered, I'm sorry. We'll do 2002. I don't know what the date is. I'm just making up an example on the fly here. We'll do June 1st, 2002. And you would enter all of your other information here. And when you got to the last field of retail price, whatever that was, let's say $1.25, when I hit enter here, when I hit enter here, it doesn't delete any of that stuff. I mean, it looks like it wipes it out, but it actually automatically created another new blank record. So you can keep going in and entering, new products into your database very quickly. So it's much easier to enter it into the form than it is by typing it into the actual table. So if I save my changes here on my quick access toolbar and I close out of my form inventory, when I open up table inventory now, scroll to the bottom, you can see that new record that I entered into my form, WRK-1400, and whatever fields I did actually fill in here, they are entered into that table now. So again, forms are just used for, entering data for your tables. Instead of going across, sometimes it's very difficult or takes up too much time going down each record and entering the information. Fast typists that are entering it in the forms, type in the value of a field, tab over in the form to each field entry, then tab over again, automatically creates a new record for you, and you can keep going very quickly. Okay, so that's the whole purpose of your form views. All right, the next video will be activity 1-11 on page 47.